Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to check the amount of steps you've taken or track the amounts of steps you've taken during the day on this watch. So to check the amounts of steps you've taken during the day, you need to press the lower or the upper button on the right side of the watch to scroll through the list of widgets and find the widget called activity. It's right here, the blue one. Basically it says activity and you have 0%, or even you can have some kind of percentage. I have 0 because I wasn't wearing a watch. But once you find the activity widget, press the middle button to open the stats, and here we have it. We have the activity statistics here. As you can see, we have the amounts of steps right here, the percentage of the today's goal, and also the amounts of burned calories. And once you're done checking, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and then you can press the up button to go back to normal watch face. And that's how you check the amounts of steps taken during the day on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.